Hello students, and here's your screencast overview for this week. We of course go to Module 9 and we will scroll down to week number 10. Past Module 9, here's Module 10. It is a planning week. We begin with our Module 10 overview, which lays out our main focus and learning objectives. You'll note there's no first word, last word discussion this week. You are to focus on planning your PBL web quest. Again, this is a major project. You must write a very strong and robust planning document. You must create the PBL web quest digitally, and you must complete that PBL web quest as if you were a student in your classroom, creating an example of whatever it is you're tasking the students to complete. Then you must also submit a reflection document that is robust and includes citations from our readings all about the PBL web quest. So you'll see we've got a Prezi to go through, a Flipgrid to complete, and please continue planning and building your web quest. We click next. The Prezi, you'll open the Prezi. There is a video that takes you through very important and critical questions for you to consider as you build your PBL web quests. Please do that. Here's our collaboration for the week. It's a Flipgrid. I would like you to go to this Flipgrid, and there's a little video instruction, but I want you to consider what is the idea you have for your web quest? Why did you choose it? Why does it matter? Why is it appropriate for your grade level and the pedagogical approach? And what might you need as far as suggestions or helpful critiques? I would like you to make your initial post by Thursday, and then respond to your peers throughout the rest of the week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Following that, I have provided you with some examples of compelling questions. If you're still struggling to come up with a central, compelling, driving, essential question, here are some examples. There's a little handout here that helps you kind of compare the difference, as well as here's a tool to check out for creating driving questions, and a list of some potential questions that you might utilize in your PBL. We click next, and it takes us to our checklist for this week. Make sure you work through the Prezi, make sure you complete the Flipgrid, and this week focus on planning and building your WebQuest PBL. I will also suggest, if you have missing assignments, if you have first word, last word discussion posts you have not completed yet, if you have not done the Mind Tools concept map, if you have not done the Common Sense certificate, if you have not done any of the assignments, if you have a 0 anywhere, please go back and complete that assignment. You are allowed to go back and resubmit any assignment that you did not get full credit for. Again, grades are not a way to punish or to prevent you from passing. Grading is a developmental approach that allows us to identify where we might need a little more explanation, or where we might need a little more elaboration, or where we may need you to dive a little deeper. So please take this week to go back and resubmit, recomplete any first word, last word posts, individual assignments, or collaborative assignments. Take a look and see where you can improve your score. Email me with any questions. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much, and have a great week.